Hello friends, welcome again to our channel Travel and Food on Way. Subscribe our channel and your every subscription give us more and more inspiration. Mankhim Dara, located at a height of 6,500 feet at ARTIER Sikkim. Now we will go for Mankhim Dara trekking. Mankhim is situated at the top of the hill in Dalakchat village, and it is actually a viewpoint from where you can enjoy a stunning view of the snow-covered peaks of Mount Kanchenjunga and her sisters. There is a short trek of 1.5 km from Lampokhri lake to Mankhim Dara, and it is ideal trek for the new trekkers and also suitable for the children. This narrow jungle path connects Lampokhri lake with the hilltop called as Mankhim Dara. There is a religious temple dedicated to the Rai community. At the end of this trekking, you will reach to the Mankhim Temple at the top of the hill, and this is an offbeat destination in the Sikkim, which is slowly gaining popularity among the tourists because of its great historical as well as religious significance. The Sakya Puja is held every year at Mankhim Temple by the Rai community. The special colorful dance is popularly known as Sili, which demonstrates the migratory bird movements of the region. The instruments used in this festival include dhol, bow and arrow, etc. They also celebrate the harvest festival called as Udholi. This 1.5 km short trek is ideal for the bird watchers. The large green forest of pine, fir and juniper trees will give you a heavenly feelings, and you can also see the varieties of bird in this jungle. The silence of the forest and the loneliness of the nature is the essence of this trekking. You can see the wild nature and you can find your soul. We have started our trekking at 2:30 p.m. but our bad luck, due to the shortage of the time, we couldn't complete the trekking. But we enjoy the nature and get the aroma of the forest and also view the various birds during this trekking. If you want, you can stay at Mankhim. There are few homestays for your accommodations. Friends, in this video we are trying to give you more and more information and some unknown facts regarding this trekking, which will help you if you go for the trekking from Lampokhri to Mankhim Dara. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you want more and more videos, please comment on the comment box. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and please tap the bell icon to get the notification. We always need your support. That is our inspiration. Till now, goodbye friends. See you again.